Oh, is it? We're on candid camera now, by the way. This is the video camera, so say hello. Hello. This was cheap as well, mind. There's the needles over in the distance. Over there.
Show them all bloody Great Atlantic rollers breaking over the bag.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah, there we go. Awesome. I just went below to get the camera and I tell you what, I nearly perished. Yeah, this is nothing. Oh.
I'm going to do the fourth bedroom as well before I rent it out. Yeah. Because that Artex has got loads and loads of cracks in it. Yeah. And I'm quite interested to know how bad the wall is underneath actually. Yeah. Because I think one part of my house has been gradually sinking away.
Let's go across here.
So it needs a little bit of filler in there and then wallpaper over the top to hide it again.
Okay, there's some good waves here now on this side. That's the way. Oh yeah, look at that. Awesome stuff.